Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2016 Chevrolet Traverse. This is gonna apply to Chevy Traverse made from 2009 and all the way up to 2017. Cabin air filter on this vehicle is located behind the glove box. So first thing what we need to do is to open the glove box. Now on the right hand side you're gonna see a damper arm. So simply we'll have to remove this arm, just like that. You pull it towards yourself a little bit and then pull it out. Once that is completed, we'll have to remove two stoppers on each side. So we have one stopper on the left side and the other stopper on the right hand side. So to remove those, you will have to turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. We're gonna do the same with the right hand side. Once when you have both stoppers out, you wanna pull down the glove box. Now we have access to cabin air filter housing. To get to cabin air filter, we'll have to unclip this cover housing. You have few clips on the bottom. So there are two clips on the bottom and two clips on the top. Once when you have removed the cover, you have access to your cabin air filter. Remember, before you take it out, pay attention in which direction arrow is pointed. Now I'm gonna remove old and dirty cabin air filter. And I see that this arrow is pointed down. If you have any debris or dirt, it's a good idea to clean it up and wipe it down before installing new cabin air filter. Now I'm gonna install brand new cabin air filter with the arrow pointing down. Make sure it's all the way in. And now I'm gonna put back the cover. Make sure you align cover properly and then push it in. And once when it clicks, that means it's secured. Now I'm gonna close the glove box and first I'm gonna put back those stoppers. I'm gonna align it that it fits and then turn it clockwise to lock it up. And I did the same thing with the other side. And now the last step, we'll have to attach the damper arm. So just bring it close to the hole, stick it in and pull it down. And that's it. Now you can close your glove box. If this video was helpful to you, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.